Assalamu alaikum. We are still presenting this paper exam of mathematics, paper 1H for 2021 January. Today we will solve question 15 and 16. Question number 15, we have the expression of A, which is V minus U divided by T, and this is, he showed the three values of the three letters, and each letter is corrected to one or two decimal places. We need to find the upper bound for the value of A. All right, so to solve this question, I will create this table. I'll show in this table the letter and the lower and the upper bound for each letter. So here we have three letters, V, U, and T. Now, the lower bound for each letter, for V, we will subtract 0.05 and 0.05 from V and U. So for V, 9.55 and for U, 3.75. But for T, we will subtract 0.005 from T, so it will be 1.3835. Now, the upper bound, we will add 0.05 for each V and U, and we will add 0.005 for T. So we will have these three numbers, 9.65 for V, 3.85 for U, and 1.845 for T. Now, we need the upper bound here for value of A. So we need the highest value of the numerator and the lowest value of the denominator. So mean that if we need the highest value of the numerator, so mean we need to subtract the upper bound of V minus the lower bound of U. So mean that we will subtract these two numbers, 9.65 minus 3.75. Divide by we need the lowest value of the denominator because we need the upper value for A. So mean that we'll divide it by 1.3835. So we'll divide it by this number, do your calculation, and find that A equal 3.22 after we correct it to two decimal places. So this is the answer of question number 15. Now, in question number 16, let's talk about the diagram shows the position of three shapes A and B and C. This is the diagram. So ship A, or ship B, sorry, it's due north of ship A. The bearing of ship C from ship A is 120 degree, which is clearly showing the diagram. Calculate the bearing of ship C from ship B and give your answer correct to the nearest degree. All right, so here, what's the bearing of ship C from ship B mean that we need this part. So this part, we need to calculate the measures of this angle. Now, the first step here, we will name the three sides of this triangle by A, B, C by using the opposite angle. So A, which is the name of side BC, since it's opposite to angle A, same for BA and same for AC. Now, to find this side first, we need to find the length of this side BC. We will use the cosine law. So the cosine law is this expression, A power 2 equal B power 2 plus C power 2 minus 2 times B times C cosine the opposite angle A. So by substituting in this expression and doing the calculation, so we'll find A approximately after you finding the square root. So it will be 373 meter. Okay, here correct the answer to the nearest integer. So it's 373 meter. So mean that this side is 373 meter. Now, after that, we will find the measure of angle B, which is this angle. So we will use sine law to find the measure of this angle. Now, we know the sine law is sine A divide the opposite side A equal sine B divide the opposite side B equal sine C divide the opposite side C. But here no need to use sine C over C. We need two fraction here to calculate it for B. And we know that angle C is not given. All right, so we will use just these two fractions. So we have sine A, which is sine 120, divide the length of side A, which we found it, which is 373, equal sine B, we don't know what B, divide by the length of side B, which is AC, which is 275. Do cross multiplication and solve it for sine B, you will have this fraction. But we need angle B, not sine B, so we will find the sine inverse of B. So B equals sine inverse of this amount, okay, and do your calculation. So it will be corrected to nearest degree. It will be 40 degrees. So mean that this angle is 40 degree. Now, this angle actually, it's the supplementary of angle 40. So mean that we can find it by subtract 40 from 180 since it's supplementary with 40. So the answer is 140 degree, which is the last answer and answer of this question number 16. This is the answer for question 15, 16. Thank you for watching us. See you next video, inshallah.